everyone. Live in live here in Dusit Hotel. Dusit Hotel with my co-Bilmayan sa Fans Club. We are waiting for our idol, star for all sons, Vilma Santos Rito, batch Notre Dame, batch 1984. Okay, with our group here, and of course, we recognize our resident of Davao. Ano natin, branch or an chapter? Just hold Davao? Hold Davao? Hold Davao. Okay, that's it. Hotel. We'll have video first. We'll have later our post. So really, so promote the movie. Please watch Uninvited. December 25. Only at anniversary of the week. Na Metro Manila Cinema with Ate B, Gary, Agamula, and okay, that's our president of Davao Bilmanians Fans Club, Sir Willie Fernandez. Okay, thank you, sir. From Jensen City. And I will interview next Nonoy Nopistero, the Vice President of Davao Chapter. Noy, please promote the movie Uninvited.
Hello guys, let's watch the movie Uninvited, the official entry for the Metro Manila Film Festival. This is a must-watch movie of the star for our season. See you on December 25.
Yes, no, but still suspense. Yeah, so for those who love Vilma Santos,
please watch.
Okay, Uninvited. Okay, so this is it, and others, our the batch important to the ping. And yeah, Inday Nor. Okay. Yeah, Nini Inday Chima Umapas. Yeah, we are here live and live to it hotel in Lanang, Davao. Any word invite the viewers now.
NEMAX 84, no.
Please watch the please watch
the movie
Uninvited.
December 25.
Okay, let's have our picture first. Okay, Noy, ready? One more. Okay, that's Nonoy in action. Where are we? Live and live here in Dusit Hotel. Boyet, our pilot. Please invite the viewers. Watch.
Please watch the
movie.
Movie
Uninvited of Vilma Santos.
December 25.
Pasalubong kay Ate B.
Pasalubong kay Ate B. O batch
84.
Notre Dame Oblang. Okay, with Ping Ping. Pe Golmayo there. Officer Kaping. So here we go. We are now entering the hotel. Mabuhay! Good morning! Thank you, sir. Can I take video, sir? Here, Mabuhay channel, sir. It's okay. Welcome party to Ate B. Vilma Santos. It's okay, sir. I will ask permission, sir, ha? Thank you. Our pasalubong. So our waves are really here in the X-ray machine to be safe. Thank you, sir. Mabuhay channel, ha? What, sir? Oh, invite also viewers to watch movie of our idol, Vilma Santos. Sir, guys, sir, still room. Sorry, my we're still having our video. Ma'am, good morning. We are the Bilmanians. So, I'm still having the video. I'll have the picture later. So, this is it, ma'am. Sir. We are now entering the Dusit Hotel. Mabuhay! Good morning, sir. Mabuhay channel.
We are the group of Davao Vilmanians Fans Club. Magsalubong kami kay we have our passport, our mga pass. No? Thank you, Dusit Hotel. So have a glimpse of the entrance of Dusit Hotel while waiting for the press con at 12 o'clock. So perhaps at this time, 10 o'clock, ATB or the Star for All Season is already there in the airport arrival. So just sharing you Dusit Hotel here in Davao. Amazing. Amazing stuff. Mabuhay. Good morning, ma'am. We are the group of Vilmanians, ma'am, Davao. Vilma Santos will be arriving.
Yes.
So, fans club. We have our passes.
Sayang na lang.
Yeah. Sige. Thank you, ma'am. So, this is it. Oh, wait. I will join. Can I join? Thank you.
Salamat.
So this is, kayo ni sir. Thank you so much. Flowing on. Where are we going to wait? Picking you, Davao, and Lang, others.
Nag-invite na
Oh,
siya. Ang producer si yung saka Manila nga Manila. Yung sa sabi mo gumawa.
So thank you for the warm welcome, sir. Sila?
Si Derek.
Ano ba sila? Derek. Sila na
Ito
na.
ba? Pasalubong ito.
So we are already here. I think our idol is already here. So we are waiting now. So here is the group of Vilma Santos. Abuhay. Ketchup. So Ketchup is here. What's the name? And
Si Brian. Si Brian din.
so this is it, our day in Davao. So yeah, we are having our picture now. Thank you. We love our picture. I have also a picture. Sir, picture up. A picture. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Just yeah, join me my video now. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So this is it, the arrival. Invite our viewers, sir, to watch an invited movie.
Yeah, hello. Watch po an invited movie. Hindi po kayo invited, pero may crush po kayo.
Yeah. Okay. So, sir, name, sir.
JL Fidelis.
Manager here of the
Canton Creator po sa Davao.
Wow, content. Magbuhay ka niyan, sir. Later, I will post.
Sure.
Okay, Vilmanians fans club.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I will follow you also, sir.
Sure,
Again,
sure.
what's the name of your
JL Fidelis.
Release? Maboy channel, Ernila Rindo.
Okay.
Just, later, I will be posting this. So, where's our idol now?
Meron na ba siya?
Advance naman yun. Advance party.
Si ma'am na lang mag-
Oh, ay, mabi may video. Kamu na picture ha?
Ma'am,
Ha?
hindi ka na mag-interview. Karoon lang dito sa
Okay. Oo.
picture na lang.
Okay lang, video.
Okay.
Okay, sige na.
Baka muna.
Okay. waiting for our idol, Belma Santos, there. We are still waiting for the queen for all seasons. Okay, see, with our Vilmanians Davao Fans Club here. Belma Santos is arriving in a moment. Our co-Davaoeños Vilmanians. Mabuhay! Hi! Our group, batch din ito, batch din ito. Oh, hindi. Taga Davao na.
Kaliganan ng lola.
Nice meeting you. Invite mama our viewers. This is live channel. Invite viewers to watch. Okay, Vilmanian. Yeah. Ma'am, invite our viewers from White Channel to watch Uninvited. Mag-White Channel. Vilmanian sa Davao.
Vilmanians of Davao.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Welcome our idol, star for all season, Belma Santos Recto. Yeah. Yeah, Vilmanians. You too, Vilmanians also, this kid. Okay. So this is it. Invite our viewers, ma'am. Watch the movie.
What's the movie?
Uninvited. What movie? What movie? Uninvited. Okay. Davao chapter. So nice meeting my Vilmanians. Yeah, with Nonoy.
Retired teacher.
Retired teacher. And starting to vlog. Mag-White channel, mama. Name mo, nickname. Name, ma'am. Yuli. Teacher Bing, Rindon. Ma'am? Juby Pilido. Rosalita. Ma'am? Agnes. Tan. Okay. So, I'm happy to meet you, my Vilmanian. Yeah. So, name, ma'am. Name.
Susan.
Susan. Yeah.
Original.
Original. Toril kayo?
Vilmanian.
From Toril kayo?
Yes, from
Yeah.
Toril.
So, nice meeting. I'm happy that I have a connection with Nonoy Nabistero, so I was able to be here with you. Nice meeting. I'm lang Vilmanian over there. Oo, lang. And Davaoeño.
And this is for Vilma.
Yeah. Invite our viewers, Vilmanian. Invite them to watch the movie. Inday, watch the movie.
What's the movie Vilma Santos?
Yeah, and invited. On December 25. Ma'am, Nor.
You're invited to watch a movie, Vilma Santos, this coming December 25.
Yeah, thank you. So, that's it. We are waiting for our idol. We are still here in the lobby of the Dusit Hotel. Where are we going? Wala pa? Wala pa? Vilmanian ka rin? Sige. So this is the beautiful Dusit Hotel with our team here, Davaoeño and Lang, Fans Club of Belma Santos Recto.
Ano bang size ni siya?
I will cut the video or not? Later na? Ito mo yung or
Tapos na, hindi ba sila interview na mga kadagdagan sila.
Oo, dali na.
Mga artista na.
Mamaya na.
Isang mamaya na sa
Oo. So, our idol will be arriving soon here. Nasa airport na siya. So, we're waiting for our star for all seasons here in Dusit Hotel. Davao. Anytime, Vilma Santos Recto will be arriving. So we are here as the Vilmanians of Davao chapter. Meanwhile, just sharing you the lobby of Doset Hotel. It's really terrific, amazing, majestic place here. One of the famous hotel in Davao City, Doset Hotel. So here we are. The advance party already arrived, but Ate B is not yet around. So while waiting, let me just invite you to the whole area of this wonderful place with my co-companions here. Yeah, the president and all the members of Vilmanians. So meanwhile, I have to cut the video. So while waiting for our idol star for us. Mabuhay, everyone. No, you need to say this. Everyone here. Mlangilenyos. Mabuhay, magdabuhay, mabuting tao. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Ringdon, retired teacher, signing off. Thank you, kamabuhay. Kamabuhay, yes. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay! Long live!